Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, me and SM were testing a new truck I made, and we disconnected and reconnected that trailer you see, and now it's doing this.
Yeah, GZ should know by now not to let me test things.
Oh god.
Because at first I said, alright, new truck. And then, oh god!
Interesting? Why is it stiff in the hinge joint of all places? It is for some reason real stiff.
Oh god, that was a mistake.
Okay, that's not the hinge. Okay, what did you just do?
I disconnected it,
You disconnected the trailer?
and the truck is held backwards.
Oh my god. Also, this is impressive. There's apparently enough weight in the rest of the trailer to balance out the whole truck onto it. Onto the front. Look at this!
What the, oh my god!
Now my question is, could I actually move the truck off by its own power? Because it does have... Wait, I'm in the wrong seat, aren't I? Yeah, it's upside down.
The question is, oh!
Oh. Okay then.
Alright, new car. As they say in UDR.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Almost.
Just
Oh.
flip.
Oh man.
Well, where's the button for it? Oh, I can't see it now.
I'd suggest like going in the cabin and then like pressing the button from the inside. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see whether I can.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Okay, side door. Wrong side door. We want this one. Oh god.
Oh.
I'm gonna get as much velocity and torque as I can.
Oh.
And I'm going to unflip it
Oh.
with the power of the door.
You did it. I now to figure out what the hell's going on with the hit with the trailer. Hinge. Okay.
Oh, was it the ramp? No, it can't. It couldn't have been. Hold on. I'm gonna get in the truck. Yeah, we haven't posted in a while. Due to just reasons. But here's an SC video.
Yeah, a very chaotic one.
This button do. Oh.
Probably just turned off the cabin lights. Anyways, see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, and our Discord server's down below in the description. Bye-bye.